How you gonna feel when she scroll down and see all of them things?
What she doing on your phone? And that's why me still there. What she doing on your phone?
Why is it still in your phone?
So with this?
Yes, sir.
You want the intro?
Nah,
Try.
minister it.
Just try.
Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. Dun.
Alright, cool. Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you've been here before, tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Now with that all out of the way, guys, I'm not gonna see no intro no. Because copyright for my intro, I don't know how. That's weird. I'm gonna have to make over we get copyright for the intro.
Like, see, I spend time on build that, bro.
Exactly. I made the audio from scratch. I made it that image there. I just did do it, and I got copyright for it, and I'm just like weird flex. So I don't know what I'm gonna use for the intro for this. So I don't know if I ever go use the intro for this. But today we're kicking off a new series for the channel. So we're doing Why Not Wednesdays. We talk about important and fun / just goofy topics because why not? The topic we're kicking it off with is: do men encourage or entertain women being wicked? And also, are males the reason they're wicked? Because the man always say, oh, them girls are wicked. You know the vibe. I'd insert the audio here, but we don't know if I get copyright for that. So because me big petty right now. So yeah, ask ya. Like them girls are wicked something come out like a year ago, don't?
Yes.
I've been around with it. As man, if I be honest, we've been around with it. Them girls are wicked. Because if we be honest, them girls are wicked. Like, them girls. Alright.
When the sun earth in the world is a talk.
Them me hurt. Anyways, so yeah, them girls are wicked. So the question is, do males encourage it? Like you feel like males encourage the girl them being wicked?
Like give them the reason to?
No, not even just that. Do like encourage it. Like if a girl do something wicked, them not check her. Like them not say like no. Like them not say no. It's like them go with it and like stay quiet. And like them in them heart know say yo, a fool should go with. Or them I tell them friends say yo dog, like this a go on or way. But them not do nothing.
But out of love.
No, brother, love can't make you
no man, but
not
them
tell.
say yo, them
But shit, Jesus. Love can't make you not tell somebody like.
Nah, but me I say yo, them not push it because the topic could be touchy or the female might flip.
Alright, priest. A girl asleep. She drop asleep. She go through your phone. Like she literally take up your finger, put it on a sensor and open your phone while you're asleep. Right? Let's admit, a mad girl behave that. Like, a mad girl behave that. You're asleep, a mad girl behave that. You see me?
Yeah.
So, she do that, no, which is a red flag. Like, from the get-go, that's a red flag. And then she wake you up a cuss. Then you're going to say, yo, a wicked girl, because she do all of that. But really and truly, you're not saying nothing about what she do. You apologize. I mean, if you do something wrong, you do something wrong. But tell her, say no, a phone she go on with. Why you in my phone? Like why you in my phone?
As in like that was the first atrocity.
Like why you going on my phone when me asleep? Like, why you use my finger going on like that don't make no sense.
Could I ask him, could I be blunt about it? Could I,
Yeah, so like when woman them think that a man no like say something about you, I feel like that's like we are encourage them being wicked.
But yeah. But you don't know them gonna come with why you give me a reason to feel this way.
Alright. Me I declare this from now. In our life. Any woman will feel like say them have to go through my phone in order to trust me, left me alone. Like if you can't come to me, I believe say if you ask me a question, I'm gonna tell you the truth, left me alone. If you feel like say the only reason you can say, alright, a good youth, if you go through, like if you invade my privacy, no. Because me guarantee 9 times out of 10, brother, 9.5 times out of 10, you're gonna find something in your partner phone where you don't like.
I think I saw something on YouTube where this girl that talk about like she wasn't coming, she wasn't doing anything bad, but the male was just accusing her of doing it. And it reached to a point where it got overbearing and she just do it. But she never feel no way cause
she been like accused for it? She been accused for it?
And she never did do it from jump. But she just say, yo, and she just do her thing. But while talking about, she never did feel no form of remorse because
she been like accused of it, so it's like that's true. Like you accuse somebody of it, like them a go lash out. Or left your I just say leave. That's all. But bro, my thing is we feel like we are encouraged it dog. Like we feel like we are encouraged it dog. Like women are do mad things and we are encouraged it dog. Ask ya. You did have one girlfriend, ask ya. Which I will leave unnamed. This girl used to call my phone. Why am I looking so dog? This girl used to call my phone and ask me if I ask ya. Like,
yeah, she just wanna know me.
No, what? Like, girl, ask you tell the girl say, yo, you might come link go in. The girl call me and ask me if I ask ya come and me hard for true. So me hang up on her. Like, me not feel like this on my department.
That is happening for you?
Yes. Remember when you never have no phone for a little period of time? Me hang up on her. But me never tell us me hang up on her. Because I feel like you're a premium if you hang up on her. Me hang up on her ears, man.
New information.
Yeah, me hang up on her ears, man. Like, she called me and asked me if I ask her for that, me hard for true. Me hang up on her ears. Because it's like, you did tell her, say, like, yeah, come home. And she did ask if, like, yeah, start now before you come home or some shit like that.
I guess we need to give her one reason for that.
No, you see me, I say, yeah, encourage it, brother. Yeah, encourage it. No, that's like, no. Oh, God. Yeah, prove my point. Like, she have been mad and you're not. She have been mad, brother. That is mad behavior.
Listen up. Me I say, prior to that, I can admit, me did do things.
Then she feel left you.
True.
Instead of you be mad and call down all your friends, she feel left you. That's why I say, like, if you feel like you need for all of that, just left. Like, that's why it ain't in my head, like, just left, like.
Me that mash up still.
If she did, you're dead.
No.
You're dead. You're dead. Like you're not dead. Like in the moment you feel like you're dead, but you're dead.
I'm good now.
You're not ghost. You're alright. You're alive. So yeah, like I feel like males are the reason. So I guess based on this conversation, when I would ask it is obvious that males encourage women to be mad. Like it was genuinely a topic like I wanted to talk about, but like it's obvious now that males encourage females to be mad. Like males see females that do things and not say nothing about it, and we need to stop say them gyal are wicked then because like we not a problem with them a be wicked. You get what I'm saying? Like we not a problem with them a wicked, and the last part of the something that was if we give them reasons to be wicked, how does it say?
Yeah.
I mean. Alright.
Which will be there, say dog.
Alright. Alright, so while males do encourage females to be wicked, if we give them reasons to be wicked, that don't feel like say, yo, dog, I just something for good with all them raised.
Nah, man, and don't answer from a place emotionally. Answer like plain and straight. Is that a black or white?
No,
no great here.
Me can't give you a reason for be wicked. You make me give you a reason for wicked. It's have to come from I. So me make me behave the way you like it can't be you make me behave the way you no like me can't push you. No, it's I gave you the power to allow me to behave off. You know, so I get one girl to come talk on this door. I get one girl to talk on this line.
Yeah,
guys, leave in the comment and tell me which female you'd like to see on Why Not Wednesdays. I kind of like doing it. The reason I'm doing it is because like I've been planning to do it because like you know I plan things over here. So like I've been planning to do it, but the last time I actually did one video, we sit down and talk like based on the analytics of the video, y'all really liked it. So it's a thing now. It's a thing now. So.
I just love them dog. Sorry, me just.
Yeah, we not like denounce the fact say yeah love involved, but me I say like don't encourage it. Like if a girl does something wicked, say mama, sort that out. Y'all be wicked, like y'all like no.
Like probably like the first time, like just meeting up. If she access see my phone, I'll probably allow it that one time.
What you mean?
But just that one time just to develop the trust.
Hear me say.
But this
Alright.
is it.
You see why? You see, this is where we disagree, because at no point in time in life, I'll never, and I say ever, give a girl my phone to search. Never. Me hear what you say no. Me hear what you say no. Me not judge you no. Me disagree with what you say, but like me not judge you. I will never give a girl my phone to search. Not because me have nothing tonight to hide, but I was talking to a girl the other day, and she literally said, our man never have a reason for Bex, so him go in our phone and find a reason for Bex. And the things from like 3 years ago before them day, him a Bex for.
But
what me I say is...
no man, what they doing on phone? No.
So if you delete every text message before me and her
text messages from your exes?
Me delete every chat.
No, look, listen. Bro. These things, obviously it's lingering. Obviously. Why do you have a problem, say yo?
Me not go down there, me not go down at the message them just...
say you can delete it.
No, I'm not speaking for me.
I know.
Okay. but like she just probably not delete it because it just she never come across it. She didn't even text if she go down and chat and say, oh, we need to delete this. Like it just things just dead it. Me not be honest, you know. Alright, so before me not alive.
No man, you're heading to a brand new thing now, which means you need to be clean, whole, brand new.
Bro.
Them the thing that they're supposed to come over, bro. You cannot scroll through your gallery and you reach like 3 years in and you see like, yeah, skin out and them thing. And then picture now come to me now.
Alright, guys.
I'm just saying, yo.
Alright.
Obvious,
alright, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if you agree with what me I say or agree with Aski I say.
Just like when the dog them, the man them, get them saying some wicked piece of news, you know, wicked, and you just can't delete them. To you just can't delete them because them look good. And them they further down in your thing now. You're moving on a brand new relationship. No. How you move with that? How you gonna feel when she scroll down and say all them things?
What she are doing on your phone? And that's why me still there. What she are doing on your phone?
Why is it still?
She said delete it, but she never go check if me delete it.
Alright, cool.
And that's why me there.
But why is it still in the phone?
You just not go. Ask you. Remember other day when I delete things on my phone because my storage is full?
Oh, okay. So
I'm a go up, I'm no member say like me did have so much video and picture. You just not member sometimes like me pretty sure everybody get up every day and just I go to the whole of them gallery. I had 19,000 images in my phone. You think me to go through the whole of that every day?
Probably because me I'm nothing for that.
I don't be going through my gallery like that, dog. Like when we go up, I'm say, alright, cool, we go up. I'm see some picture of eggs, and I say, yeah man, me can delete them. Like, me don't need them in my phone. But I like say, oh, I go through them. Like,
that's the reason.
What?
Well, with me, where how me end up after delete things.
Because of storage?
No, because things from your past thing. You don't want to scroll through and see them things.
Oh, I don't be scrolling through and seeing stuff. So like I just can do. I don't be scrolling. Me not see them. I'm gonna tell you what me do. Is if me one girl left, I'm going on my Snapchat and delete all I said. No, that's because Snapchat be reminding you of shit like chill out.
Memory.
Like chill out. Like this happened last year. Like chill out Snapchat. So I delete some of the Snapchat, but like in my gallery, it's like I don't be going up there. So in conclusion, because there's a video, I'll wrap up the video real quick. In conclusion, I feel like we do encourage women being wicked. So if we stop saying them gyal are wicked, because we encourage it.
Like a change, yeah? Don't worry.
Like we encourage women to be wicked. Well, somehow we encourage women to be wicked. and then I do agree that all of us, to be honest, all of us give women a reason. You see me I say? Somehow we encourage it, but all of we give them a reason. And with that being said, that's Why Not Wednesdays. You see me? So leave suggestions in the comments. Let me know what I want to talk about. But for now, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. May God.
Oh!